Most people don't go broke because of big mistakes. They go broke because of small decisions, repeated every day. Coffee, subscriptions, upgrades, impulse buys. In this video, you'll learn the simplest rule that saves money. Needs versus wants. Once you see the difference, your spending will never look the same. Money problems rarely come from one huge purchase. They come from lifestyle creep. You get a raise, your lifestyle expands, your savings stay the same. Needs versus wants is the line between survival and lifestyle. Between stability and stress. Real example, two people earn $3,000 per month. One saves $500. The other saves nothing. Same income, different definition of need. Needs are things required to live and work. Food, housing, basic transportation, healthcare, utilities, basic internet. Example, you need a phone. You don't need the newest iPhone Pro Max Ultra. Needs keep you alive and functional. They are boring, essential, and predictable. A need is something that stops you from losing money or health. Wants are upgrades, convenience, status, entertainment, Netflix, gaming consoles, designer clothes, Uber instead of bus, eating out every day. Real life example, Mike earns $4,000 per month. Rent and bills are $2,000. The other $2,000 disappears into wants. He feels middle class. He saves like someone with no income. Wants are not bad. They just compete with your future. The rule that saves money here is the rule: pay for needs automatically. Question every want consciously. Before buying, ask one question. Would I still buy this if I had to pay in cash today? If the answer is no, it's probably a want. Another rule: wait 24 hours before buying non-essential items. Impulse fades, logic remains. Real example, Anna wanted a $1,200 laptop upgrade. She waited a week, realized her current laptop was fine, saved $1,200 without feeling deprived. The 50-30-20th framework, a simple structure: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving and investing. It's not perfect, but it creates boundaries. If your wants exceed 30%, your future is funding your present. If your needs exceed 50%, you need to optimize fixed costs. Structure beats guessing. How to control wants without misery. You don't need to kill all wants. You need a system. Create a fun money category. Spend it guilt-free. When it's gone, it's gone. Use subscriptions audits. Set spending caps. Automate savings first. Real story. David canceled $150 in unused subscriptions. He invested that money monthly. In 10 years, it could become over $30,000. Small leaks sink ships. Final warning: needs keep you alive. Wants make life enjoyable, but confusing them destroys finances. Every dollar you spend on wants is a vote against your future self. Every dollar you save is a vote for freedom. Learn the difference. Build the habit. Design your system. If you want more financial literacy explained simply, subscribe to Mr. Ledger. No hype, no gurus, just money explained clearly.